Every day will be like a holiday when my baby comes home. Well, she's been gone such a long time. Ever since she's been gone, she's been on my mind. I got a letter today, I just about knew, saying, "Darling, I'll be home soon." And that's why every day will be like a holiday. Oh, when my baby comes home.